Welcome to my channel Juguru Solutions. Today I am gonna tell you all the features of Apple Vision Pro. If you came first time on the channel, do subscribe, like and press on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here. When you put on Apple Vision Pro, you see your world and everything in it. Your favorite apps live right in front of you, but now they're in your space. This is Vision OS, Apple's first ever spatial operating system. It's familiar, yet groundbreaking. You navigate with your eyes. Simply tap to select, flick to scroll, and use your voice to dictate. It's like magic. Apps have dimension, react to light, and cast shadows. Even though these spatial experiences are happening inside Vision Pro, it looks, sounds, and feels like they are physically there. Foundational to Apple Vision Pro is that you're not isolated from other people. When someone else is in the room, you can see them and they can see you. Don't even talk to me about sushi. Sushi. Alright, see you. Take care. Because you're not limited by a display, apps live in your space. Your photos can be life-size or any size, so your living room becomes a gallery. And panoramas wrap around you as if you're right where you took them. Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first ever 3D camera. Now you can capture photos and videos with remarkable depth and relive a memory as if you're right back in the exact moment. Experiences on Vision Pro can also expand in 3 dimensions, filling the entirety of your space. Like in the Mindfulness app, where you can create a moment of calm. Apple Vision Pro brings the scale and wonder of a movie theater to whatever space you're in. It automatically darkens and casts a beautiful glow into the room. And you can make the screen as big as you want. Spatial audio surrounds you and makes you feel like you're a part of the action. And for an extraordinary cinematic experience, you can bring in a beautiful environment and make your screen feel 100 feet wide. To play your favorite games. Just connect your controller and play on a massive screen with incredible audio. Curry's got 24 points. With Apple Vision Pro, you can create the perfect workspace, no matter where you are. The web comes to life at fantastic scale. Text is crisp and easy to read. Browsing the internet feels new. And Safari expands so you can see all your open tabs and the App Store are there. You can arrange them however you like and work seamlessly across them. Hi. Hey. Hi, did you receive the deck? Yeah, I'm looking at it now. Oh great, you got it. So, what did you think? FaceTime looks and sounds amazing in Apple Vision Pro. You see people life-size. And with spatial audio, you hear them as if they're right in front of you. So conversation is more natural, and collaborating becomes even easier. And because you see the world around you, you can glance at a notification. And even connect to your Mac simply by looking at it, turning a 13-inch screen into a giant display.